My wish to the stars. In the stillness of the night, when the world is wrapped in dreams, I look up to the stars and whisper my silent pleas. O stars, so bright and far, hear my heart's deepest desire, that in the quiet of the night, you may be by my side. As I drift into slumber and wake to a new day, may your love be my comfort in every possible way. My wish to the stars, a plea from my soul, that your heart may find mine, and together we become whole. O stars, so distant and true, touch this heart I long to reach. Embrace it with your light, and let our love be complete.